1 million years ago, when houses were caves and stoves were fire pits, our ancestors made an accidental discovery. Hanging meats over the fire produced a flavor that was undeniably the best. Fast forward to today, backyard grillers value grill marks over flavor. Instead of getting that mouth-watering experience you work so hard for, oftentimes your food ends up unevenly cooked, dried out, and you stand by with your tongs at the ready to flip every 2 seconds. It's a stressful experience that's only worth it if it turns out perfectly. Introducing ThatRack by Mario's Backyard. Designed to lift your meat off the heat, ThatRack is reinventing the grilling experience. ThatRack is a multifunctional rack that suspends your meat and vegetables over gas grills, charcoal grills, smokers, campfires, and ovens to ensure optimum tenderness and providing a hands-free grilling experience. ThatRack is extremely versatile. It immediately triples your surface area so that you can feed more people in fewer rotations, eliminates the need to turn and flip your meats, leaves your grill grates clean, and gives you tender food as a result of the compact vertical hanging design, which allows for consistent convection throughout. ThatRack helps you become the hero of today's barbecue from start to finish. 16 skewers allow you to fork whatever your mind allows, from red peppers and potatoes to salmon or even sausages. 2 sliding slots hang up to 14 drumsticks, turkey drums, or chicken lollipops by the knuckles. 2 handles to help you easily carry everything you've prepped from the kitchen or picnic table directly onto the grill or campfire. Top warming rack for pots, pans, veggie trays, and buns. Flip it over and you'll find 5 horizontal rib slots and a basket-style rack for large cuts of meat, keeping your baby back ribs from sliding off their bones too quickly, or a pork shoulder butt contained in a carrying-style basket. And lastly, ThatRack is dishwasher-friendly. With all these features and the quality behind it, ThatRack will become the last grill, tailgate, or camping accessory you need, and you can only get it on Kickstarter today. Mario D'Amico is the inventor of ThatRack. The team is so excited to bring this revolutionary grill accessory to life and to get it into your hands. They're already working with one of the best grill accessory manufacturers and a prototype manufacturer out of Wisconsin to give you a product that will last a lifetime. We're confident ThatRack will transform your grilling experience so that you can become the stress-free pitmaster of your dreams. Please support ThatRack and Mario D'Amico by pledging this campaign so we can bring ThatRack to your next grill out, tailgate, or camping session.